is Meir Givron. I am already 35 years in this EAM and asset management. I'm happy to talk about GIV Solutions, a company that I founded in 2001. What solutions do we do? Smart cities, an overall comprehensive solution to run smart cities, to run smart campuses, to run smart transportation and operator of bridges, tunnels, roads, highways. And what we did is to integrate drones that are designed for inspections with mobile applications that will get the data from the field, the data of the engineer, of the inspector, to integrate it, to upload it, and to be able to get a final product, final solution that integrates the processor from end to end. And we cut denial of service by 50% and we reduce time by 75%. To cut expenses, to improve safety dramatically, to improve reliability. So there were key factors for success set up front. We exceeded all of them by far with the technology that the core of it, the brain of it is in HxGN EAM. So it's a mobile application based on HxGN EAM technology. Data is streaming up, footage of video in 4K resolution, pictures in 12 megabytes, and infrared imaging is extracted from the drones, combined, merged, analyzed, processed, and uploaded into the core, the heart or the brain, which is based on HxGN EAM. From remote, a spider thread can look like a crack, but it's a spider thread. Only when you come and you move it, you can see that it's a crack or not. And the crack in reinforced concrete, it's a problem even if you have a crack of 0.1 of the millimeter. And until recently, the rumor or the expectancy was that robots or drones cannot be so accurate. And we proved in this pilot that it is. And as I mentioned before, it cuts costs, it reduces time, it reduces dramatically denial of service. So if you have to inspect a power plant and you need a 5 days session in traditional way, now you need 1 day. It's 20% of the time that you have to stop in order to this is in this specific example. So the safety is much higher to the inspectors and to the public. The denial of service is dramatically low. The reliability of the data of the inspected assets are dramatically high relative to what was before. After many years as an expert and a leader and self-development of EAM systems, I encountered and I identified in the market HxGN EAM. It's the only rule-based system that I'm aware of, and rule-based system means that you can create smart systems. Smart systems mean that you can think and put rules inside and add them. A customer is going live with a system, let's say with 400 rules configured into the system, and after a year he can have 2,000. And this is without changing the code of the system, without jeopardizing the reliability of the system. We just make it smarter, and then you have proactive processes, alerts, that BI analytics that helps them manage the business, get better and better results, and not be frozen over time. It keeps evolving, even with the same version, but of course, HxGN EAM, the traditionally releases every year a new version, with new functionality, with new adaptation to new technologies in the market, and this is exactly what customers should have. They should have a partner, a vendor which is a partner, a long-term partner, listening to their requirements, understanding their market, and this is what I found with HxGN EAM and HxGN EAM team.